Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today let's try making a very smooth and creamy and delicious mango caramel bread pudding. And this steamed mango pudding is eggless. So first you need around 5 slices of bread and you have to remove the edges. To make this pudding more healthy and to give more brown shade to my pudding, I used brown bread. But it is totally optional, you can use plain white bread. Now you have to powder it. You also need some mango puree. Now take some custard powder, mix it with water and keep it ready. Now let's caramelize some sugar. Add some sugar into a pan. Once it turns brown shade, pour it into a bowl where you're gonna set the pudding. Now into a pan add milk, sugar, mango puree. Mix it and bring it to boil. Now add in the custard mixture. Before adding it into the milk, don't forget to mix it one more time. Now mix it continuously till the milk becomes thicker. Now add in the powdered bread little by little and mix it. Now this is ready. Now add it into the pudding bowl. Cover it with an aluminium foil, place it into a steamer and steam it for 25 minutes. Take it out and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Now carefully flip that onto a plate and there you go. Our delicious mango pudding is ready. You can garnish it with some more fresh mango pieces. And when I'm cutting this pudding, you can see how soft this pudding is. It tastes so delicious. It's so easy to make. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.